Hi learners, it is me again, Sharon. I am going to introduce you to another commonly used expression in Bahasa Indonesia. Before I start, please click the subscribe button and click the bell so that you don't miss any new videos from us. Have you ever tried to express your thought in Bahasa Indonesia and instead of getting responses you aimed, you got your Indonesian fellows confused? Watch this video to let me rescue you from another direct translation tragedy. Of course, the best way is to avoid direct translation. Learn to understand and to use language. Now, for the next expression, you will learn Biasa Saja. You might get bored by me repeating this, but I will not stop to keeping you safe. Do not translate. This expression is to express that something is regular, not a big deal, so-so, nothing special. Now, watch the following examples on how we use the expression.
Cindy, apakah kamu sudah pernah pesan nasi goreng dari restoran ini?
Oh ya, saya sudah pernah pesan nasi goreng dari restoran itu.
Rasanya bagaimana?
Biasa saja, lebih enak nasi goreng ibuku.
Hai Cindy.
Hai,
Kamu sedang mendengarkan lagu siapa?
aku sedang mendengarkan lagu Bruno Venus. Apakah kamu suka mendengarkan suaranya?
Aku tidak suka karakter suaranya. Suaranya biasa saja.
Oh, begitu. Penyanyi kesukaan kamu siapa?
Aku lebih suka mendengarkan Sam Stone.
Sekarang masuk akal. Kamu lebih suka karakter suara yang lembut. Rio, aku mau membeli sepatu, tetapi aku bingung mau pilih yang mana. Menurutmu mana yang lebih bagus?
Aku lebih suka yang warna putih. Yang warna putih terlihat bagus. Kalau yang hitam, biasa saja.
Benar juga. Terima kasih ya Rio. Sepertinya aku akan membeli yang putih.
Sama-sama.
How was it? It is simple and easy to use, right? Remember, always be confident and never cease to use the expression anytime you got any chances. Otherwise, you will lose it. For further reading of the expression, visit our blog through the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video and help us share this video with your friends and family. Also, remember to connect and follow our social media accounts. Until then, sampai jumpa!